Thailand, it's 11, ano 10:40. Ay, hindi. Mahaba pa yung oras. Nalilito ako. Basta 10, something na. Magte-10 pa lang dito. 1 hour advance kasi yung time sa Philippines compared to Thailand. And ito yung meeting place. Meet up place. Central World Hot Thai for our temple tour. So, waiting na lang kami. We should be here 15 minutes before departure, which is 9:45 a.m.
15 minutes later.
Not so expensive for the boat fare. We call BTS.
Democratic something.
Picture คือเพลงรามาเทพ His name วชิราลงกรณ์กนิษฐ์ทอง
This one.
นาชนเพลงรามาเทพ
King Rama.
Thai Army Police Headquarter Military Headquarter here National Museum ก็จะ have a lot of collection of Buddha or valuable things นะคะ from every part of Thailand look after by government นะคะ on the right hand side this is number one นะคะ university in Thailand we call Thammasat University also the king also with royal family study here university in Thailand king just support me to do having here having the center of Bangkok a picture of his wife her name Suthita in front of that right hand side this is a temple of the Buddha relics we call Wat Mahathát Wat Mahathát have a big Buddha
That's good. This is where we're going first. And then here. Wow. I think that's their king. Yeah, let's take a photo with the king. So we are about to go inside. We need to remove our sunglasses and the umbrella, of course. So we left our selfie stick at the security check. So okay lang, may stand naman yung phone ko sa likod. Oh, excuse me. Ay, nagsasalamin siya. Bye!
like this จะเป็น Thai style with Cambodia in the middle
Let's walk on the shaded part. Here's our ticket to the Grand Palace. And there's an currency exchange here. On the right hand side, this is a road
started to win in 1782 by King Rama first. The story tell about King Demon. The demon with his name was Sakan. His name is Hanuman. The monkey, king of monkey, Hanuman. Fight together. King Demon. Structure made of thick liquid hand. Actually, in the
Wow. Ito yung nasa airport eh.
during 1855 they call Royal Patron. Inside of that building to have the sculpture of my king, King Brahma the first until King Brahma IX. My
Half demon, half bird.
cement inside
Cement
with
is-
gold, I think. Decoration with multi-color glass mosaic. This is a material to build. We go this way.
Ashura means demon, Papsi is bird. There are chimes up there.
White one เนี่ยเป็น mother of pearl very rare ที่ฟัง The Buddha at four corner in shrine original one we preserve at the museum made of red stone form
On va être prêt, mais on va être prêt sur les accessoires, ils sont partis. On aurait pu attendre qu'on... On va faire escalier.
คอลัมน์เป็น blooming lotus flower at the ceiling เป็น all hand painting เฮ้ยมันเรียก all hand painting structure made of chick wood all with structure of the pixel.
That's the serpent or the devil. Wow. Photo. Mosaic from Italy. This is made from Italian mosaic. This is the Singha Panorn. Parang half lion, half demon. Inside that area is the three parts of the Buddha. Anong parts
The
here?
roof structureจะ made of wood with
Three parts of the
painting.
Buddha inside.
At the base, all around here, the decoration with Chinese all around all inner area นะคะก็จะ have Garuda bird holding good circle.
Buddha bird
Garuda bird เป็น vehicle of the Hindu god
holding big serpent.
The king is a Vishnu god mounted on the Garuda bird.
Ganda ng sili, no?
ทีนี้ when we walk inside ก็ we just go that way แล้วก็ walk
Ceiling hand painted.
blooming lotus flower in every column blooming
Lotus
เป็น
flower.
painting หมดเลย with traditional Thai pattern like a Thai silk เนี่ยจะมี
Thai pattern.
look at this one every door panel decoration with the mother of pearl
Mother pearl.
mother of pearl หมดนะฮะ with Cambodia like on the side put 8 pair of them in the gate, protection from spirit.
Sakit ng kalyo ko.
Kasi yun ang stretch.
Those are coins for Jeff prayers. Ayan, bibili ka dun ng 20 baht so that you can put coins inside those pots for good luck. Hanggang makarating sa dulo? Grabe. That is a bag for your shoes because we're not allowed to wear shoes inside. Buti nakabisita pa si Popo dito, no? Before 2022. That is where the big Buddha is. Over there. That's the big Buddha inside that temple over there. There's another gong here. And ang lakas ng hangin. Ang laki ng umbrella mo eh. Yung Brahma the first.
Father of King Rama, the third King Rama. Then with your muscle,
Thai herbs. Those are Thai herbs. This is how you do yoga
there's a more stupa over there.
for good health.
Pen Thai cemetery. They have the name, surname. Put the bone here. Ashes of Thai people here. We don't sit down here.
Do not sit down. These are tombs of dead Thai people. May naligaw dito guys. Oh. Another yoga pose. More yoga poses. Comment down below kung sinong may kaya ng ganyang yoga pose. I would never. This is called I don't know. I-translate nyo na lang sa Google kung anong klaseng yoga pose yan.
Our Thailand have a kingdom around 800 years old already. Buddha got different part of Thailand, got different style.
Bawal ka sa black one na, nickel yan.
We have the yellow color, put around Buddha only yellow color.